Hi, Nathanael Greklek here from Mohawk Honda, and I'm here with your hashtag Hump Day How To. Now, I'm going to be going over the older version of the navigation found on Hondas. Now, sometimes it can be a little confusing trying to map out and different things like that. So I'm going to show you how to get to some of the settings in your navigation. Let's get started. In order to get to my navigation, I simply press the navigation button. Now, to get to the menu that I'm looking for in order to find an address or put in an address, I'm simply going to press the menu button on the left-hand side of the display audio. Now, to get to an address, I just press address, or I can search by category or some other options that are available. Now, if you buy this car used, there may be someone's personal go home. So let me show you how to change that by going into the settings menu. Simply press the home button, then go into the settings. Then you're going to press navigation. Now, here you have your options of editing the go home 1 and go home 2. So pick the one you need to and follow the steps to put in your address. And there you go, all set. If you ever have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 518-370-4911, extension 140, and one of our delivery specialists will be able to help you out with any technology questions. If this video was helpful, please like and comment below. Also, like our Facebook page if you haven't already. Have a great day.